officer investigates an alleged fight between a group of females that occurred at a zoo. The zoo is now closed, and that same group of females is trying to get a ride home from their sister, who is currently parked inside the zoo's premises.
Someone is picking you guys up?
Yes,
Where's your ride?
She's on the phone. You want to talk to her?
I don't need to talk to them. Where's your ride at?
Right,
okay. I just got here. Why are you yelling at me? I'm trying to help you out.
I'm sorry. She right in the front of the building. She said that's where she dropped us off. She said she right where she dropped us off.
Car?
It's a white Nissan Altima.
Okay, calm down.
I'm calm. I don't have to be calm. I'm not hurting you.
Okay, I'm not going to talk to you. So it's a white sedan coming to pick you guys up?
No, it's a Nissan Altima 2013. Do you hear her? Do you hear her? You hear her, right? You hear her, right?
Yeah, I hear her. I'm done talking to you.
So just open the gate and let us through.
No, I'm not going to open the gate because the zoo's closed. Hold on.
Why? Do you hear her?
So is the sedan over there?
Yeah.
Is the sedan over there? Okay, let me go. Okay, let me go get the sedan. Let me go get the sedan and I'll be back. Are they still parked over there near the entrance?
If I hop this fence, I'm going to be wrong.
If you hop this fence, I'm going to arrest you.
You ain't going to do shit to me. Legit, you ain't going to do shit to me. If I hop this fence, then what? You hear my sister on the phone waiting on me.
She said she right in front of the building. We just need to walk over there and get over there to her.
Okay, how about this? Instead of you guys going all the way over there, because it's a long walk and it's like 40 degrees out, we're going to go get that sedan. We'll bring it around.
You're not about to do shit. We finna hop in your car. Y'all about to take us to the car or what? I don't give no f about that bag.
The person picking the group up and the white sedan arrives.
Yeah, they're all right there.
Okay.
All right, real quick, do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
What?
Was there like a fight? So the reason we're here today is that apparently there might have been like some verbal altercation between some possible friends or family members or something like that. Do you have an ID on you just to make sure?
No, I don't. I'm her sister, and I'm just trying to get her out of here, and I don't do police, so I don't want to be extra. So just
no, that's fine. I'll get you out of here. Okay. What's a good last name for you, ma'am?
Why do you need my name to come and pick up my sister? I don't understand.
Because now I'm having an interaction with you. That was a possible fight.
Right,
okay?
but you don't need my name to come and get my sister. No, you don't. No, you don't need my name.
All I do is then
come on, man. Y'all need to come on, because I don't got time for all this dead ass. My kids is in the car, and I'm facing
okay, I'm going to get you out of here in a few minutes. All I need is your name, and that's really about it, okay? Ma'am, we're not doing this.
Come around. Wait, don't. You don't need to follow me.
Hold on. Just hold on.
I am holding on. I've been sitting here for 10 minutes, sitting here looking for them. I don't need nothing. I'm just going to come out and go around. It don't matter.
Hold on. Ma'am, I'm telling you right now, do not do that.
Don't touch me.
Hold on.
Why is you getting up? Hey,
ma'am.
I'm going to get them the fuck up out of here. Why do you need my
squad
name?
stepping up. Hold on. Let me just get your name. Because there was a possible altercation. Okay, Tiffany.
Yep.
Hold on.
Okay, you can let me in my car. My kids is in here. Come on, man. For real.
The group of females behind the fence somehow find a way to open the gate.
What is you taking my place for?
You don't need to do none of that shit.
I don't
just
understand.
get your ID?
For what?
Because I'm having an interaction with you.
I don't have it. I don't have it.
I'm having an interaction.
I don't have it.
What's your middle initial?
M.
Yeah? Okay.
That's it, right?
What's your date of birth, ma'am?
Why do no, you just said you need my name. Why do you need all of that? I'm trying to get my kids are in the car.
I'm confused on why you need to write all this shit down. With me right now.
You don't need to grab my door.
Hold on.
I'm not gonna pull on you. You don't need to. Okay. You don't need to grab my door. My kids are in the car. I need to keep them warm, bro. Come on, man. I don't want to. Bro, my car is in park. You see my hands? Can I close my door? I'm cold. My kids are in here.
Can I talk to either you?
I'm talking to you, but I'm
outside?
trying to get the fuck up out of here. I don't do police. I just said that.
Okay, I understand it. Look, I'm not, you're not going to get in trouble, okay? That's not where
I know I'm not going to get in trouble. I didn't do shit.
Ma'am, can I just talk to you outside over there? Is that okay?
Oh my God, now you need to talk to her. Like,
okay.
What the fuck, man? Come on, I don't have time.
I gotta talk to her now, then that's it. Can I just talk to you over there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there. Let's go over here, man.
I don't want to step on from a car.
Okay, let's talk right here. I'm trying to get you out of there. Okay, the reason we're here today is that there's a possible altercation.
I'm just sitting down.
Okay, so was there anything going on? I'm gonna speak to you level.
No, we just argued. We didn't fight. We didn't let. We argue. Okay, they told us to leave. We left. We went out here. We sat out here.
Okay, you guys, it was a family verbal altercation.
Yeah.
Basically, that's what it was, right?
We wasn't arguing with other people. It was all within us.
So was anyone injured during this?
No.
Is anyone medical attention?
So anybody look injured? Like this is crazy. No, we good.
Can you close the door?
Yeah, we can close the door. Hold on, make sure the blanket. I want to make sure the blanket doesn't get caught, okay? Okay. So no one needs medical attention?
No. You don't gotta come over here. Why is y'all bringing all these police? They argued, but nobody got to fight.
Okay, so what I have to do real quick, I gotta go to my computer, I gotta type a few things, I'll come back and I'll let you know that you guys are okay to go, okay?
Man, y'all don't need to do all
Hold on. Hold on.
Let me go.
Like I said before, I'm gonna go to my squad. I gotta put a few things. I'm gonna come back and I'll let you guys go. Hold on.
The officer then lets the backup officers through the gate while the officer gets in his car to type up his report. The suspects close up their car doors.
Which one, driver?
Driver. She doesn't want to listen.
Get out of the car and break the window!
Ma'am, step out of the car. Step out of the car. Roll the window down or we're going to break it. Okay, roll the window down or it's going to get broken. Roll the window down. Ma'am, stop talking. Get broken.
Alright, Weber, heads up. Ma'am, this is your last chance. You are now under arrest for obstructing. Cover your eyes. I'm taking it.
Alright.
You got glass on me!
Get out of the car.
Thanks so much.
I have nothing to do with it. I'm ready to go. They just busted my window. They just busted my window. They're trying to get me out of here to put me in custody.
Sure, you're under arrest.
I don't have nothing to do with it.
You're under
I'm
arrest.
under arrest for what? I'm under arrest for what?
Obstructing right now.
Step outside the car.
Step outside the car. Donnie.
She didn't do nothing. Let her go. I didn't do it. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
Get out.
Why do I need to get out of my car?
Stop resisting.
I don't need to.
Stop resisting.
You want to get sprayed? I didn't do shit. Don't touch me.
Step outside right now. You want to get tased?
My kids, my babies are in here. I don't have nothing to do with it. We wasn't trying to do shit but go.
Okay.
Can we go?
You can't go yet.
Go.
Let's go out the car.
Okay, you ain't got to take
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Grab her phone.
Where you going, my son? Get out, nigga. On the Jew. Where you going, my son?
Stop.
Get back. Get back in the car.
Bro, she didn't do nothing. Alright, bro.
I'm taking it off of you.
For what?
Chill out, because you can't have it while you're in custody.
I'm not in custody for what? My kids is there.
Right now,
bro.
resisting obstructing.
I didn't do shit.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Why is he grabbing me like this?
Roll to your side, your right side. You want an ambulance? Can you sit up?
Punch me in my gut.
You want an ambulance?
He just punched me in my gut.
He's grabbing me. I really didn't do nothing.
You're not in trouble. You're the only one cooperating.
Okay, but I just
separating
seen him hit. I just seen him put his hands on my friend.
You're not under arrest. You're detained right now just because of what's going on. Because I don't want you freezing, I'm going to place you in the rear of the squad. You're not under arrest. You're just detained at the moment, okay?
I don't have no record. I never
you
been in the
don't.
back of
I
the
know.
police car. I
I
never
know.
shit, dude. I don't have no type of record or nothing.
I know you don't, okay? You're not under arrest. We're just detained, okay?
I don't want to go in your car, bro.
All right, sit in the car. Put your feet all the way in. Put your feet all the way
My
in.
kid, can I just view my kids?
Nope.
Can I just view my kids?
No, you
That's
need to
all
sit
I'm
all the way in.
asking.
You need to
Can I
sit
just
all
view
the way
my
in right
kids?
now.
Can I just view my kids?
Car. Sit in the car. Do not get Can you sit up?
No, she punched me in the face.
You see me here treating him with respect. You a bitch.
Nothing's going to happen to
in
you.
there.
I was the one you were talking to initially, right? Do you want to sit in mine? Do you want to sit in my car? Okay, let's go sit in my car.
I want to go in there.
All right. Okay. You have anything on you?
No. Can y'all just close my door on my kids, bro?
Yeah. Okay, we can get those off. She doesn't need to be in here. Are these on you? Did you slip these?
No, I didn't.
Take a seat.
I'm not gonna do that. I just
Okay,
view
did
my
she slip the
kids.
cuffs?
I'm cool.
You gotta move your knee.
She's got to be in cuffs because she was resisting hard.
I didn't forget.
Yes, she was. Just assaulting.
Hold on. Let's come on.
Go for a while.
Okay. Do you want to sit in your car? Do you want to sit in the car? Okay, let's go sit in the car.
I ain't punching him in the face.
You did.
I
I watched.
swung. Listen,
I watched you do it. You did.
I swung.
I watched you
I
do it.
swung. Look, dude, are you listening to me?
Yeah, and I saw what you
swung,
did.
right?
And you're full of shit.
I swung. All right, then shut the f up talking to me. Listen,
stand up?
I'm gonna stand up for y'all.
Thank you.
But look, I'm my baby. I swung on him. I swung on him. And y'all can't sit up here and tell me that y'all want to do the same for y'all blood.
Do you have any weapons on you or anything?
All right, I don't got shit on me but my phone. But no, I don't got my phone. I got it in my pocket there. Just checking my pocket. I'm respectful as fuck.
The fighter and the skills.
so it's all right.
He didn't have nothing to do with it, so
Okay.
I just feel like the whole situation got way bigger than what it was.
I understand.
These cuffs have to go back on you. Okay? So can you turn around, please? Or we're gonna have to struggle with you like we did before.
Y'all didn't have to struggle. Y'all arrested
Okay,
me
so
for
are you gonna let us
nothing.
put them on nice
I
this
don't
time?
even know why the fuck I'm here.
I already told you.
Right, but that don't got nothing to do
Just
with me.
face that
Bro,
door.
that don't got nothing to do with me.
Face the door.
Put them on, put them on.
That's all I'm saying.
Right, y'all busted my motherfucking window and everything for some shit that has nothing to do with me. You're putting them on me. They're tight. I can't take them off now. You see?
Stop moving.
You don't have to do that.
Yes,
Get your
I
fucking
do.
hands off of me, bro. I'm not fucking hitting this, man.
Stop have to lock
Bro,
so they don't get
they're
tighter.
locked. They're locked. They're
No,
locked.
they're not.
Yes, they are, bro. I can feel it on my ankle, on my fucking wrist.
Yeah, I have to
It's
double.
tight.
I have to double lock them so
Right,
they get
okay.
tighter.
So just do what y'all gotta do so I get the fuck
Okay,
out of here,
so
'cause
let
my
me
kids
do it
is right
then.
here, bro.
So let me do it then.
Okay, so y'all should have been did that. Y'all talking to the wrong person that was never even here. Y'all ain't finna pay for my motherfucking window or none of that shit. Like, this is ridiculous. Resisting arrest that I had nothing to do with.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Bro, I need to see my kids,
Put
bro.
your feet in.
I need to see my kids, bro.
The driver, who was attempting to pick everyone up, was charged with resisting, obstructing, and disorderly conduct. She was also issued citations for operating a motor vehicle without a valid license and operating a motor vehicle without insurance. The female, who was acting aggressive from the very beginning, was charged with battery to peace officers, resisting, obstructing, and disorderly conduct. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.